Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. This is your Devi ma'am, EVS teacher. So, last few weeks before we have completed our term 1 syllabus, right? So, today we will continue our PA2 syllabus. Okay, in PA2 there are 4 chapters are there: 9, 10, 11 and 12. Only 4 chapters are there. So these chapters are very easy. So first we will learn our chapter number 9, that is light and shadows. Before entering into the topic, first we will learn what are the learning objectives. Okay, so after completing this chapter we will be learning what you mean by luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous मतलब क्या है, non-luminous मतलब क्या है. Then we are going to learn what are all the different types of materials. Okay, what are different types of materials. Then what a shadow is, how are the shadows formed, and what are all the characteristics of a shadow. So these are all the topics we are going to see in this chapter. So first, what is a light? So light, without life, our life is possible? No. Without our light, life is not possible. We can able to see the beautiful world with the help of our eyes, right? So our light comes from the eyes, right or not? So without light, nothing can be possible. Plants, by means of chlorophyll, they will take the light from sunlight. So each and every object, they need a light. Okay, because the light, they help us to see around things around us, right or not? So before entering into the topic, we will see one activity. Okay, so activity, listen carefully. It is not given in your book. Miss Manya is teaching in her class. So one teacher is teaching in the class. Now the weather is cloudy. So what happened? You used to those things, right? 4th standard and 5th standard students will used to this. Little weather is cloudy means what you will do, ma'am? You put on the light, right or not? So here also the weather is cloudy. So the tube lights in the class have been switched on. Now what happens? Suddenly when the light goes out, what will happen? The area will be very dark, right or not? Then what happen? You will be very happy. Why? You can't able to study, right or not? Without light, you can't able to study. So but the teacher start discussing about the source of light. Okay. So she teaches the students that we have eyes. We cannot see anything in the absence of light, right or not? अगर तो अंधेरी होगी तो कैसे हम दिखेगा, तो नहीं दिखेगा. So she tells the students that even though we have the eyes, we cannot see anything in the absence of light. अगर light नहीं है तो we can't see anything. So the teacher is discussing the two objects. One is called as a luminous object and second one, it is called non-luminous object. So first, what is a luminous object? The objects that give out the light of their own. वो खुद का light produce करेगा तो it is called luminous object. And the ones that do not give out their own light, they are called non-luminous object. समझ आया? What is this activity? So Manya is a teacher. She is teaching in her class. उस टाइम पे weather is quite cloudy and tube lights are switched on. Suddenly what happened? The lights are off. So the whole room, it becomes dark. So the students are very happy as they do not study anymore. Now the teacher is discussing the source of light. What are all the source of light? So even though we have the eyes, we cannot see anything in the absence of light. अगर light नहीं है तो we can't able to see. So there are two objects are there. One is called as a luminous object, and second one it is called non-luminous object. So first, what is luminous object? So the object that give out the light of their own, they are called luminous objects. And the next one, the ones that do not give out their own light, they are called non-luminous objects. Clear? Now, so introduction. Can we start our chapter? So light helps us to see things around us, right? So objects that give out the light, that produce the own light, they are called luminous objects. And objects that do not give out light, they are called non-luminous objects. Now look at the picture. Come to page number 116. Look at the picture and then write L for the luminous object and N for the non-luminous object. Now take the bulb. The bulb is a luminous object. And then notebook, it is a non-luminous object because notebook cannot produce their light. Okay, so it is a non-luminous object. Now candle, yes, candle can give the light, so it is a luminous object. Then cube, the dice, it is a non-luminous object. And then torchlight, yes, it will produce the light, so it is a luminous object. And then lamp, the lamp is a luminous object, it will produce its own light. And then sunlight, yes, the sun will produce their own light. And then tree, it is a non-luminous object. And then vase, it is also a non-luminous object. Okay, can you understand the topic? Without the light, we cannot see anything, right? Then there are two objects are there, luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous means the objects that give out light, they are called luminous object. And the objects that do not give out light, they are called non-luminous objects. So we are going to see the light. So if you walk in a completely dark room, you will not able to see anything, right? Why? Because in dark room there is no light. Now if you light a candle, what will happen? The light will come. You can able to see the things around you. So they are telling the light help us to see the things around us because light is a form of energy. It is also a form of energy. We get light from different sources, right? We get light from sunlight, from tube light, from bulb, from inverters, so many things, sources we can get the light. But the light always travels in a straight line. Okay, keep it in mind, light always travels in a straight line. Now let us do one activity for this one. Come to page number 117. Okay, so come to the page number 117. Now see the activity. So first, what we have to prove? To prove that light travels in a straight line. Okay, what do you need? आपको क्या चाहिए? You need 3 stiff cardboard cards. ठीक है? Then clay and a torch. These 3 things you need. That is the 3 cardboard cards, clay and a torchlight. Now what you have to do? Now take the 3 cardboards. Okay, put a hole in the center. After putting the hole, arrange the cards in rows. Okay, so the rows should be in proper line so that holes are in a straight line. All the holes, it should be in a straight line, and fix them with the help of the clay. By using the clay, fix the cardboard in the Fix the 3 cardboard in a table. Now switch off all the lights in the room. Ask your friend to shine his torch on the hole on the far side of the cardboard cards and look through the hole in the first card. Now what you are going to do, you ask your friends to put a torch on the hole. तो दूर से you have to show the torch, okay, and you have to look the cardboard in the first card. ठीक है? What did you find? You will be able to see that light through the first card. Okay, you can able to see the light through the fixed card. Okay, now what to do the next? So now shift the middle card slightly to one side. Okay, so that the holes are not in a straight line. अब ये क्या करना है, मिडिल में एक कार्डबोर्ड है उसको थोड़ा से हटा दो. Okay, so hole should not be in the proper. Now again ask your friend to shine the torch. Now again look the hole in the first card. What you will able to see? So no light can be seen through the first light. Okay, because this experiment shows that light cannot be seen as the path of the light is blocked. अगर इसके path of the light is blocked, we can't able to see. So from this activity, they are telling that light always travels in a straight line. समझ आया? मैं वापस आपके रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. So what we have seen, we have started our 9th chapter, light and shadows. First we have seen the introduction of light. Without life, life is not possible. We see the things with the help of the light. So there are different sources of light are there. So there are two objects, namely the luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous object means the object that produce their own light. उसके खुद light produce करता है. They are called luminous object. Example, sunlight. They will prepare their own light. Non-luminous मतलब the objects that do not produce their own light. And then now another activity they are telling. Now go to the dark room. In the dark room you cannot able to see anything. Now lit a candle. After some time what will happen? You can after the light comes you can able to see the room. And then always light is a form of energy and light always travels in a straight line. So for this one activity is given. Now take a 3 cardboard of equal size and put a hole in the middle. Now arrange in the 3 cardboards in the table. The middle center of the hole should be equal. It should be normal. Okay. Now you should stand on one side and ask your friend to light the torch straightly to the hole. Now you can able to see the light in all the 3 cardboards. Okay, you can able to see the light in all the 3 cardboards. Now second, what you have to do, you have to take the middle card and slightly you have to move to the next position. Now the holes are not in the same position. What will happen? Again you stand on one side, ask your friend to put the starch. What will happen? You cannot able to see the light. So from this experiment what they are telling, light always travels in a straight line. Once the path is blocked, the light cannot travel. Okay, so these are all the activities we have seen today. Now write the IBL questions. First one, what are luminous objects? Write the IBL questions now. What are luminous objects and what are non-luminous objects? Okay, and then second question, how much time needed for the light to travel from sun to earth? So first question, what are luminous and non-luminous objects? Second question, how much time did the light takes to travel from sun to earth? So these are all the two IBL questions. So we will continue the class tomorrow.